I'm going to show you how to edit a job in this video. So let's say here's my customer, admin tester. They placed an order online and they accidentally ordered the wrong quantity. So they ordered 5,000. They meant they wanted 500. So in order to edit this job, I'm going to go up to the top right and click on Edit Job. And I want to scroll down to where it says Quantity and select 500. Now it's going to change the price. It's going to change the price basically for everything, the cost of the job and the cost to ship it. So we're going to have to reselect FedEx 3-day because that's what was originally selected, but since it's lower quantity and lower weight, it'll cost less. So select that. Printing total is now 1205. Shipping total is 2076. Tax is 84. So because they didn't pay for this, there's no difference. It's just auto-calculating everything for you. Now if they paid for this and there was a difference, they're now going to receive a credit on their account or potentially owe more on the order if they selected something that would be more expensive. After I make the adjustments, I'll click on Save, and it tells me it was successfully saved. I can stay here or I can go back to the job details. Let's go back to the job details. So as you can see right here, the quantity is now 500. Total is 1205. Now what they owe is $33.65, which is completely different. I believe before it was around $60 because they had a quantity of 5,000. But let's say this customer now changed their mind again and they wanted something else done to it. Let's go back up to Edit Order. They want spot UV. Well, we scroll down here, we don't see any spot UV options because these are all the standard options for the product. Well, now what we can do is scroll back up, go to Edit Job menu, and it'll tell you right here, only create a custom product if there are no standard products that meet your needs. So because they have an option here that isn't available down there for me to select, I can create a custom product from scratch, which I don't want to do because that will delete everything that they already put in, or I can copy this configuration and create a new product. That's what I'll want to select. So I'll select this. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Now what this did is it took everything that they ordered and copied everything and put it into a create custom product page for me. Now everything's pre-selected. All their options are already pre-selected. Now they told me they wanted spot UV. So what I'm going to do, I believe that would be an additional option. I'll click on Add an additional option. Then in here I'll be able to view all the additional options that I added to the software or that the software came with. Let's see, spot UV. Let's just do numbering. So they wanted numbers on it. And for the value, I'll do yes numbering. Again, it all depends on your business model of what you want the value to be. And the cost is an extra $50 per 500. Since they're ordering 500, I'll put in $50. Make that blank. Setup. Oh, I won't charge a setup. Everything else can pretty much stay the same unless I wanted to add an extra, let's say this adds an extra 24 hours. Well, I could put 24 in here. See right here, estimated production time, September 16th at 7 o'clock. Well, let me delete this 24 hours, put 0. Now it's showing Thursday the 15th at 7 p.m. Box would be most likely stay the same. It's the same quantity. The only thing we are adding is numbering. And what I want to do is create that product. And I would like to return to the Edit Job page, so I'll select OK. Now it took me back to the Edit Job page. and you can see it added yes numbering and numbering to that. And then I want to save. Job was successfully saved. I'll go back to the job detail page, extend the information here, and you will see that numbering has been added. And that takes care of how you edit a job or edit a job into a custom order.